since Mary, you're here, you're a judge. How, when you look at it from the court's perspective, how does a court go about determining, after this tragic situation has occurred, was there any intent?
Well, let's begin with, first of all, it's the prosecutor whose job is very important in these instances, because that prosecutor has to analyze the facts before him or her and decide, what charges do I bring? Are these intentional acts? So they have to look at all of the circumstances to make a determination as whether or not they can prove the crime that they are charging. So, you know, the investigation is done. They look at the past. They look to see if there's any kind of evidence of abuse of the child in the past. They interview people. They go back and they interview the parents and try to understand how the child got left in the car. So it really starts with the prosecutor. The prosecutor makes a decision to bring a particular crime based on the facts that that prosecutor can prove. As a judge, I evaluate the facts, and the jury is the one who, unless it's a bench trial, will make the decision. I have a question of the doctor, just as a human sitting here wondering, how, when you're doing your evaluation, are you making a determination as to whether or not a person's being honest with you, or are they just good actors?
First of all, I do depend on the state, the prosecutor, to find all relevant information. You know, I'm not the only one here that's involved. In every case that I've been involved in, it's actually been a manslaughter charge, and the prosecutor has accepted that the child either dying or be harmed was not an intentional act. So I do actually depend on the prosecutor in the state to provide me with information as well. It is also a valid question to say, well, is the person giving me accurate information? Which again, I compare what the person is telling me with the police reports as well as what's being provided by the prosecutor.
The doctors.
12 years in!
The prognosis you prayed for.
For the first time in public, I want to see if she can take a few steps.
This is so scary.
The treatment you needed.
You look fabulous.
It's the daytime talk show that's been your cure for over a decade.
That is literally taking the lives from their community. I can't believe that this is happening.
With the issues affecting your health right now.
It is not housing, it is not economic inequality, it is a health crisis.
I lied to you, and I lied to you. I have a truth that I'm going to reveal.
The Doctors, on call for season 12.